How to combine photos in CapCut. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open CapCut application in your mobile device. Simply tap on new project. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select any two photos that you like to combine. Once done, tap on add. So once you have your two photos, you can go ahead and tap on the last one. Then swipe the options until you find overlay. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now adjust the video. Also make sure they are the same length. Now go ahead and make changes. And just like that, you'll then be able to combine photos in CapCut. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.